On the occasions that you need additional seating around the house, you can't beat a metal folding chair. First, they're pretty affordable, they're comfortable, and they stack really neatly. You can fold up and stack them away. But they do have an Achilles heel. Let me show you. If you look at the bottom, the legs are nothing more than a steel pipe, and that's a really sharp edge. And they come with rubber tips on them, but what happens over time is the legs just cut right through. Here you see it cut completely through. And now if you move this chair around on your living room floor, it's going to scratch it all up. So here's the solution. You go out and you buy a new set of rubber chair tips. These only cost about less than $2 for 4 of them. But if you just put it back on, which most people do, what's going to happen? Of course, it's going to just cut through and you're going to have the same problem. So here's the solution. If you look at this, it's exactly the same diameter as a nickel, about 7/8 of an inch diameter. So you do is take a nickel, put it in the bottom of each new chair tip, and then slip it on. So now the chair leg will rest on the nickel and it won't cut through the chair anymore.